Hello everyone. In this video we will cover how to handle inputs and how to handle forms. So without further ado, let's start. So we are in my VS Code. Now let's make a form. So just erase this, type form. Let's take one input. Type text. Close this. Let's take a text area. So text area. Just provide here placeholder like enter something or anything. Same for the first input, enter name or something, and let's make a select. So select, and let's provide two options, male. Also provide here value male, and second one is female. Make it same for female. Now let's check out output. So let's provide here BR tags. So just provide here BR tags. Same for text area and same for select, and let's make a button. Submit. Let's save and check. You can see here output, name, text area, male female option. Now how to submit this form? Right now we are not focusing on CSS, so now let's focus on a submitting form. So for that we need state. So let's import useState. Now we have three inputs, so we need three states. First one is useState. Let's suppose name. For the first input, initial value is null. Let's make it capital. Now another state. Let's make it description or something. Description by default it's null, and let's take state for this gender option. So gender, set gender, and initially let's make it male. Now what we have to do is we have to provide here our useState. So by default value equals to provide here name state, this one name, and here you have to type on change. So on every change, when you key press anything, then on every change you have to update the state. So on change we have to provide callback function e and set name to e.target, means whatever input you are filling, and dot value, e.target dot value. Same copy from this and same applied here, and let's copy same thing for select option. Now let's change here set, instead of writing set state, set name, let's write here set description, also description. Same for select tag. So here you will provide sender and set sender. Now we have to make a function to submit form. So just come here on form and just type on submit, and let's call a function handle submit. We have not made yet, so let's make it handle submit, and just console.log, let's say hello world. Now let's check output, inspect. Let me just zoom it for you. Ignore this error right now. I'm just clicking on submit. You can see here our page is refreshing. Submit, see, submit. So for preventing from this refreshing page, we have to provide here this line e.prevent default. Save this, and now let's check it again. Now refresh and submit. You can see hello world. So right now a page is not refreshing. I'm again clicking on submit. You can see hello world. So now let's console those values, those three input values. So let's console name, also description, and also sender. Now let's fill the form. Enter name, let's say hello world, mail. Now I'm submitting form. See, this three output is here. First one is name, second one is description, and third one is mail. Now what we have to do is we have to pass these three values on every submit into array. So let's take an array. So const, let's suppose our array name is info, that info, by default array is empty. Now just come here and follow along with me. Const new info. Now I'm using spread operator. If you don't know spread operator, just kindly check out the description box. Let's say info comma, let's say name is equals to name, description is equals to description, and sender is equals to sender. Now let's console this three things or new info array, and also set info new info. So what am I doing is we will concatenating array with previous values using spread operator, and on this step we are just updating our state with new information. Now let's check output. So Let's provide something. Now I'm submitting form. You can see here first object, name, description, mail. Let's put another value, Nisarg. Submitting form. You can see there's two value. First one is mine, second one is Nisarg. So that's how we can submit form in React.js. So that's it for this video. We'll meet in another video. Bye bye.